welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, then welcome to my channel. I am Yolanda Kumalo, also known as Tushy, on Twitter, Instagram, and on the streets. You guys already know if I come up here with no hair, it is another hair review video, and I'm here to plug you guys. A couple of weeks ago, Wiggins Hair sent me hair, and it was curls. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably did see me post about it, and I was wearing it quite a lot. So I'm coming with a review of hair, and I can also speak on quality because I have been wearing this hair for quite some time, and I also gave it a wash once. It came in this pack. This is a travel bag that you can use if you're going away. You can store the hair in here, and inside the travel bag there was quite a few goodies that can also assist you with installing the hair. From now on, I'm not going to say anything, guys. I just want to install the wig, and I'm probably going to do a voiceover telling you a bit more about the hair while I install the hair. So I hope that you guys are going to stay tuned to see how easy it is to actually install this wig. This is the unit you guys saw at the beginning of this video. It is a 20-inch ready-to-go curly wig. It's got 250% density. As you can see, it's full. It's got volume. I was really impressed by that. The closure is 7x5 lace closure, and it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I also really liked that about it because it makes it really easy to prep and put on and go, literally. As you can see here, I have an adjustable band. It's a headband that also comes with the wig. It is just to assist with tightening the wig so that it's fully and properly secured onto your head. It's adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your size, the size of your head. The wig is as easy as that to put on, really. I did do a little bit of prepping, as you guys saw. I just used a hot comb just to put the hairs a bit back. But honestly, when you wear it, the lace just like thoroughly blends into your skin. You guys did see from the lace that I also did tint it a little bit using my foundation that I have on my skin. And yeah, that's all that is really required to complete the look. It gives an illusion of it's like natural hair, or if it's like you have an installation, like the glue installations that we all used to. But the nice thing about that is that it is really not attached. It's just a wig that you put on, and you can take off at any time very easily. Right here, I'm just going in with my leave-in conditioner mixed with water. This is just to revive the curls, you know, just to give it a little bit of definition there. As you can see, it also adds a little bit of shine to the hair. You can honestly use whatever you want to use to revive the curls, but I like to use a leave-in conditioner mixed with water. It really always does the trick. And yeah, guys, there's nothing much for me to say on this wig. As you can see, it's a very beautiful unit, sits properly, very nice and full. Definitely, if you are interested in purchasing it, check my description box. I think I'm going to leave you guys and have you watch the rest of the video, and I'm going to see you on my next one. Guys, this is the final look, and I just finished installing this wig. It literally took me about 2 to 3 minutes to just do the whole thing. I'm already done, ready to go. Wig exactly means that you just put it on and then you're out your way. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, you can definitely get it from Wiggins Hair. Just check my description box, I'll put the direct link to this hair. But if you're also interested in other hairs as well, like maybe your straight wigs, your short bobs, etc., you can also find the link to all the other ready to go wigs that Wiggins Hair has to offer. Just check down the description box. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't ever say I don't plug you guys. And I am going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.